All right, a few things that I've been asked questions about that I just want to make some clarifications on. Is this first? Let's start here. If I have a linked list using shared pointers, like this, can I just delete this down here? If I just delete this, I get that out of there, do these automatically delete? And the answer is no. And the reason not is because this still has a reference count of 1. There is something pointing at it. So this here would be a memory leak because I have no reference to this other than them pointing to each other. So I have to take care of that first. Another issue that I want to clarify is right here. I did not do any type of return. This is a return type of void, but I checked this first one and I didn't return. And here's the reason. It's not in a loop. When this is called, I call delete first. It comes in. If there is not a first, it says see out, it prints see out. The list is empty. Without this here, it then checks the else if. Well, it doesn't have to check the else if because if was true. So it skips the else if, the else, and it automatically returns. Now, if I was inside a loop and I wanted to return inside part of that loop, if there was an error inside, so if I'm going through the loop, but there's a certain case in which I would get an error, I don't want that loop to loop again. I just want to return. So that's the difference between why this doesn't need a return, and if I'm inside a loop, I do need a return. Hope that all makes sense.